Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see a very good news to the postgraduate candidates, guys. So if you are having the only post graduation with some little bit of experience, then you are going to get per month 1,10,000 rupees per month approximately, guys, and it is a central government job. Okay, so really it will be a wonderful opportunity if you once selected to this one. So I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be definitely helpful to them, guys. Okay, and please watch the video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon to get the more notifications like this. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, and this notification we got on 27th May 2021, guys. So here the Office of Dean Administration is looking for the suitable Indian nationals, including the persons of Indian origins and the overseas citizens of India, for appointment on the following temporary positions for short-term R&D projects on contractual basis for a period of maximum 5 years. Okay, and here the designation REO grade 1, total 7 posts are there, and the level 11 you are going to get 1,09,554 rupees per month approximately. And the next one is principal REO, 1 post is there, okay, level 13, and you are going to get 1,92,311 rupees per month, and the total 8 number of posts are there. So first we will check the age limitation. For REO grade 1, 45 years, and for principal REO 50 years. Okay, and coming to the relaxations as per the Government of India norms. So the closing date of online application form is 30th June 2021, and the total emoluments means approximate total emoluments on minimum of pay scale in pay level 7th CPC, including the house rent allowance, dearness allowance, transport allowance, and the employee's contribution to NPS. Okay, and coming to the first one, the minimum qualification, desirable qualification, experience, and job specifications for the post are mentioned here. Fine. So the first one, serial number 1 is 1, and post is Principal Research Establishment Officer. So department, Samtel Center for Display Technologies, grade B, cadre B, number of post 1. Pay scale is mentioned here, 1,23,100 to 2,15,900, and it is the 13th level as per 7th CPC. We will check out the qualifications, guys. Minimum qualification, MTech or MS in electrical or the electronics engineering plus 13 years of relevant experience, or else a PhD plus 10 years of relevant experience, and few desirable qualifications are given here, so you may check down, and the job specification also given here. Next, serial number 2, post Research Establishment Officer grade 1, department Advanced Center for Material Sciences, cadre B, number of post 1, pay scale 67,700 to 2,08,700. Okay, level 11, minimum qualification, MTech plus 3 years of relevant experience, or else the PhD. Okay, and the desirable qualifications are mentioned here, so you may check down, and the job specification is also there. Next, serial number 3, Research Establishment Officer grade 1, department Sustainable Energy Engineering, cadre B, number of post 1, pay scale is 67,700 to 2,08,900, and level 11, minimum qualification, MTech or MS in chemistry or physics or chemical engineering or electrical engineering or material science and engineering with 3 years of relevant experience, or else the PhD in chemistry or physics or chemical engineering or electrical or material science and engineering. Okay, and the desirable qualifications are also mentioned here, so you may check down. Next, serial number 4, Research Establishment Officer grade 1, department SIIC, cadre A, number of post 1, pay scale 67,700 to 2,08,700 rupees, and the minimum qualification, BTech or BS with 5 years of relevant experience, or else MTech or MSc plus 3 years of relevant experience, or else a PhD, and the desirable experiences things are given, so you may check down, guys. Next, serial number 5, post name REO grade 1, department Center for Lasers and Photonics, cadre A, number of post 1, and pay scale 67,700 to 2,08,700, and the minimum qualification, BTech or allied area of optics with 5 years of relevant experience, or MTech optoelectronics or photonics or applied optics, or else allied area of optics with 3 years of relevant experience, or else a PhD. And you may check down the desirable as well as the job specifications. Next, serial number 6, REO grade 1, Department Physics, Cadre A, number of post 1, 67,700 to 2,08,700, minimum qualification, BTech or BS with 5 years of relevant experience, or MTech or MSc with 3 years of relevant experience, or else the PhD in physics. Okay, desirable and job description you may check down, guys. And the serial number 7, post REO grade 1, material science and engineering, Cadre A, number of post 1, 67,700 to 2,08,700 rupees per month, and the minimum qualification is BTech in material science and engineering or the metallurgical engineering with 5 years of relevant experience, or else the MTech or MSc in material science and engineering or the metallurgical engineering with 3 years of relevant experience, or else the PhD. Fine. And next one, REO grade 1, Department Material Science and Engineering, Cadre A, number of post 1, pay scale 67,700 to 2,08,700 rupees per month, and the minimum qualification BTech in Material Science and Engineering or the metallurgical with 5 years of relevant experience, or MTech or MSc in Material Science plus 3 years of relevant experience, or else the PhD in Material Science. And coming, yeah, these are all the different posts, guys, and the general informations and conditions are given. What are the benefits, terms and conditions? Okay, so you may check down. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys, so that you will get the complete details, okay, regarding this one. Okay, so you please check out. And coming to the how to the apply means, here the online portal link is there, so you have to click on this one and you will be directed to the online portal link, guys, and there you have to start up filling your application form. Okay, and the online application form will be available in the website from 27th May 2021 to 30th June 2021, and the application fee is 1,000 rupees, and the candidates belongs to SC, ST, PWD, women abroad candidates are exempted from the submission of the application fee. Okay, so these are the details. And what are the documents you have to upload while submitting the online application form is online payment 1,000 rupees, recent colored photograph, a self-attested photocopy of date of birth, education certificates, experience certificates, as well as the caste certificates. Okay, and few more important notes are given here, so you may check down, guys. Okay, and while coming to the online application format, so you may check down vacancies for the post of REO 2021. So click on this apply online, and then you will be directed to the online application form, guys. So here you have to fill up. If you are the new one, then you have to click on this register user, and after filling up all the details, you will be provided with the email ID as well as the password. So with both these two, you can fill up the remaining details, guys. Okay, so don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments, and please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge, Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.